If you have a coffee machine that is brewing weak or it's overflowing, you could have a spray head that's either damaged or it's missing or just needs to be cleaned out. And what we'll want to do is remove the brew basket while the machine is not brewing. And then if you look right above the brew basket, you'll see a small disc with some tiny holes, and that's the spray head. And that's what showers the water over the grounds to give you a good product. If the spray head is intact and you notice it's clogged, you can actually take something small like a paper clip or anything like that, clean out the holes, and it should clear it. If the spray head is missing or damaged, let us know and we'll ship you out a new one. Once you receive the new spray head, you'll want to reattach it and thread it back on in the opposite direction until it's secure. Once you've done this, take your brew basket and you'll want to put it right back in place, and then you should be able to start the brew cycle. If you have any other issues with it after that, feel free to reach out to us.